what we are demonstrating in our Innovation Day in Gurgaon here in India is one of the key pillars of Nokia's new strategy, which is innovation, and looking at some of the futuristic cutting edge innovations that we are bringing into the telecommunication world, and where we are be ahead of in some sense of the competition also. The innovations that we are bringing is mainly in two different domains. One is managing the growth of the networks, and the other is monetizing on the data growth. We are also demonstrating here some of the future work technologies, which is something like 5G. These are things that we have recently done in MWC in Barcelona, and we are bringing it closer to our customers in India. If you look at managing the growth, then what we are saying is that there are a number of portfolios that we are demonstrating. Of course, one of them being our single RAN solution with the multi-radio platform, which can evolve very easily in a small size from 2G to 3G to 4G, all integrated into a single box. We are also showing our services portfolio, the services for net, of how complex network, and also showing the small cells, demonstrating that in the innovation here, where small cells as part of our networks becomes an integrated part of the heterogeneous network environment, and how services for net can deal with this entire complexity of the network and make it more efficiently optimized, reusable, and possibly configurable. From the monetizing of data growth, we have seen in India that the growth of data in India is following almost the same trend as global, of almost doubling every year. Looking at this trend in data, there are things which probably are very interesting to be done in order to be able to extract real value out of this data growth. Some of the innovative solutions around them are our customer experience management solution, whereby the insight of the customer can help the operator understand and treat them better, give them the solutions that they require, give them the applications that they need, and be able to monetize some part of what customers need. The other interesting part is on our self-optimizing network, which also we are demonstrating here. In the self-optimizing network, what we are showing is something related to healing the networks, optimizing the networks, and also adding to that predictive analysis of operations, whereby we are able to predict problems 24 to 48 hours before they actually happen. So all these putting together, I think, are bringing a whole array of services, both on the radio platform, on the core platform, and on the services solutions, which we are demonstrating in our Innovation Day here. We are also kind of working very closely with the operators in India, understanding the complexities of requirements that Indian operators face, working very closely to bring these solutions closer and more relevant for the India environment. That's in short what we are